Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In the last video, the rig had dug the borehole. Now it's the next day and we're here to put the pump in and do some pump tests to make sure that everything is working okay. So let's get into the video. So here they are putting a sensor in the borehole to see the level of the water. I know their terminologies, I don't know, I'm just telling you what I see. So that's what they're doing. So yeah, while we watch that, please kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And after watching this video, don't forget to share, like, and comment. So after a few tries, they finally got the level, and she said it was 3.28, so that was good. So we were ready to move on to the next thing. So now that the level of the water has been determined, it's time to hook up all the piping from the borehole to the poly tank or the reservoir that the water will be kept, and then it will be time to do electrical work and hook up the control panel and all that good stuff. So that's what's happening here. He's hooking up all the plumbing, piping, and everything. So the hooking up is almost done, and then it's going to be time to actually put the pump in the borehole and see if all that money spent was worth it. Okay, so let's stay tuned for the moment of truth. Bottom of that pump was so sharp, and unfortunately the guy held it the wrong way and it sliced his finger, so he had to take a few minutes off, take care of it, and then he was back to work, you know. So unfortunately that's what happened there.
Now, kids in a way, what the better I know. Can you? So you may be
also you know driving class and now what's the number better on time
Yes guys, apparently that pump is heavy and it took 3 men to put it in. I have no idea, I didn't touch it. So that's what they're doing, and they didn't bring the sensor, so they're doing everything by sound. So they put it in and they hear the pump touch the water, and they know that it's at the right level. So that's what's going on. And as you can see, Ejadan was still on site, so he was helping. But you know what, Ejadan, I have a whole lot to say about what happened. I'll talk about that in the next video, okay? So stick around for that. So the pump is in the water to the level that's supposed to be, so that electrical wire is going to be hooked onto something now for now, because they're going to hook it up to the panel and all that, so they don't want to lose the pump. So that's what they're doing there, they're tying it to some kind of wood so they don't lose it altogether. The next step is to do the electrical wiring, so that here is nerve-wrackingly climbing on that little space so he can reach the top. Guys, I don't know how these people do it. It's me looking at it, I'm scared for them. It's dangerous, but they do it and they never fall. I don't know. So here it is. He's hooked up all the wire. Now he's inside trying to make sure the panel is all working and all that. I would let you in on listening, but it's super loud because we're using generator, so I'm gonna spare you the noise, okay? But he's doing tests to make sure that there's power in the panel that he just hooked up, so that's what he's doing. We're all hooked up electrically and plumbing wise, so it's time to actually do the plumbing test, so stick around. So they have the bucket, they have a timer, and he's going to start the panel, the pump. So we'll see how much water pumps out per minute or something. So those bucket has some kind of marking. Hey, yay, we have water! We have water! Yes, there's water coming. So there we go. Yeah, they did the test severally to make sure they get the right amount of liter per minute or however long the timer was. So that's why you keep seeing them. They pour it out and then they start again, pour it out and they start again. So that's what's going on, okay? So yes, after a while, she was happy with the amount she was getting per minute. So now she's putting some in a bottle to test it to see the salt content. Yeah, so that's what's happening right here. She wanted to do one last test to check, so that's what she's doing again. Everything has checked out, so it's time to secure the pump on the ground safely, and then later I'm gonna come and build something around it to protect it from people stealing it. So apparently people do steal these things. Like everything in Ghana gets stolen, so you have to do your due diligence and secure things or you're gonna regret it. This is not a cheap thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna get the mason to lay block around it and get a metal slab and put it on top as suggested by Ajoba. Otherwise it will be stolen.
Your best slap at
Oh, yes, okay, then well done. Boom.
Now the
So when you
1,000.
mean to me, Yanande.
No, that the concrete the way to me to prevent the rains. But when
Okay.
it rains, it will go up and contaminate
Okay.
water. So that one can be done now. Then the slab tomorrow. So
Okay.
the any water gate. The gather the far set time in for you know why. So blocks. To be what be done.
So yes, everything was done and we're doing some pump tests, and then the panel was overheating. So as you can see, he had changed. They were getting ready to leave, so now he's here making sure, figuring out why it's overheating. But the short of it all is we needed a bigger generator, so we had to purchase a generator plant to be able to handle pumping the borehole and also lighting up the farm. So that was an unexpected expenditure. Okay, they're gone. It's time to protect the pump. So Ijedan is going to lay block around it. First of all, to protect it in case it rains so it doesn't get contaminated, and also get a metal slab and cover it and lock it up so nobody can steal the pump. So that's what we're doing right now. All done. It looks beautiful. Now we're gonna get a slab on and then I'll show you the final look. Okay, it looks beautiful already. I'm happy with it.
Onion 10 inches.
10 inches, okay.
I was say,
Maybe I had one.
Yeah,
Okay.
now why you lock it so you be boho no and lock and one near lock it.
Okay. Okay. And I also want your BBV.
Onion to be says, am I in the block? And son, why you lock and near the other lock?
Okay.
Said the almost here because of winning the anchor. This is what you padlock.
Okay.
So I type in it.
Okay, Mate.
By son of the iron rods, I'll be happy a man sooner than Tina.
Okay. Okay. Mate. Yes, I got it exactly as described and it turned out great. So the next video, Ijadan will really tell you his handiwork. You know he likes to brag.
My and fine, my dressing in it. Any tragu as I mean, we share Jada only in a different. You many be. Parlock and also my lock and fine. The PI come until she said no okra for. Okay, I had made the basic. Bye.
Yeah, guys, so we finally have a borehole on the farm. It was needed. That was the only way we can comfortably feed the poultry, so I'm glad we got it done. But don't forget to like, comment and share if you haven't done so already. Thank you, and until next time, smile, see miracles in life every day. Bye guys.